Hi guys, so today we are making a super fast pudina chutney. This mint dip can be used as an accompaniment with a variety of food, so let's begin. All we need is 3 medium sized onions, 7 to 8 green chilies, half lemon, 1 tablespoon dry mango powder, salt to taste, and of course, 1 bunch of cleaned washed mint leaves. Try to use a bunch with smaller leaves as they are less pepperminty and more flavorful. Now just simply chop the onions and chilies and add all the ingredients into a blender jar. Make sure the mint leaves are thoroughly dried after washing and not soaked in water, as that would affect the final texture. The lemon juice is going to help maintain the vibrant green color of the chutney and also add a tang. Now just blend it for a couple of minutes and there you go. Your super easy pudina chutney ready in less than a minute. Enjoy it with your kebabs, pakoras and parathas. Do give this recipe a try. Until next time, eat healthy, stay healthy. Bye bye.